Exercise number 12, first half, 700 commission book. This dictation recorded by Akshar Ali, stenographer. Ready. How many people present themselves at the door of your house during the course of each day? Question mark. If we consider the question from the point of view of the woman of the house, comma, we find that only too often during the course of the day is she expected to leave whatever she may be doing to answer the door, generally to be offered something in which she is not interested, for which she has no use, or for which she has not the money to pay, full stop. But what of the men who make the calls, comma, calls which to the woman of the house merely mean a forced and not important break in her work of running the house? Question mark. To the men, these calls are not a break in their work, they are a very real part of the full stop. Let us now look at it from the other point of view, comma, and ask themselves at how many houses does any one of these men call only to be met 8 or 9 times out of the with the two well-known reply, no thank you, not today? Question mark. He will hear these words over and over again throughout the day, comma, 6 days a week, and upon hearing them he will perhaps try to change the mind of the person speaking, comma, but if he cannot, he must with good nature say, well, thank you, comma, and good morning, and turn hopefully to the next house where there may be a less strong will or less hard heart, full stop. New para. Why does he put himself to much trouble? Question mark. The work is hard. He often carries a heavy case as he goes from door to door, full stop. He is to be seen on the streets in all kinds of weather. Many of the doors at which he calls are not opened to him or are opened only for him to hear a short not thank you with no regard whatever to the value of what he has to offer, full stop.